Shekalim, Perak Aleph, Mishnah Vav. Be'elu shechayavin b'kalbon. The following people are obligated to give a kalbon, which is a small coin, in addition to the half shekel. Leviim v'Yisraelim v'gerim v'avadim mishachorim. Leviim and Yisraelim and converts and freed slaves. In other words, those who are obligated to give a half shekel, and if they don't, we take collateral from them. Aval, but lo kohanim v'nashim v'avadim uktanim. Not kohanim, women, slaves, or ketanim. These people are all either exempt from a half shekel, or by the case of the kohanim, there's a machlokas. But even if they be chayev, there'd be no collateral taken from them. Hashokel al yidei kohen, al yidei isha, al yidei eved, al yidei katan. If someone gives a half shekel as a loan for one of the people who is not chayev in a kalbon, potter. He also doesn't have to give a kalbon when he gives a half shekel for them. V'im shakel al yado v'ayed chavero. However, if one gave a shekel, a half shekel for himself, and a half shekel as a loan for someone else who's obligated to give a half shekel, and if he wouldn't give the half shekel, then we would take collateral from him. Chayev b'kalbon echad. He's chayev to give one kalbon. This Tana holds, if you give a half shekel, you don't have to give a kalbon. But if you give a different denomination, for example, in this case, a full shekel, then you do have to give a kalbon. Rav Meir Omer, Shnei kalbonos. Rav Meir says that everyone who gives a half shekel, those who a mashkon will be taken from them, have to give a kalbon. So if one gives a full shekel for two people, and the second person was alone, he'd have to give two kalbonos. Hanosein sela v'noto shekel. If one is only giving a half shekel for himself, he gives a shekel, which in this Mishnah is called a sela, and he takes back a shekel, which means a half shekel. Chayev shnei kalbonos. Everyone agrees that you have to give two kalbonos. One, because you didn't give the right amount, and the second one is because the Beis Hamikdash is giving you back a half shekel, and because of that, you have to give them a kalbon.